affliction. I am my own disease.
Hey, morning guys, it's Andrew here with Maverick the Jeep. So we did the unboxing the other day, and I went ahead and woke up early this morning and started working on the Jeep. So you can see the handles are installed here. So this is what we installed. So this is Handle Matters. These guys used to be called Metal Jeep, but they make a handle that instead of doing the push button like you would normally do, this one just comes out like that. And of course, these are customizable. As you can see, I've got the Mission 22 logo on there. This is an organization that I volunteer with and advocate for veteran suicide and awareness for that. So we went ahead and used their logo to cut here and to put on the Jeep, because like I said, I wanted something that would be Mission 22, because I can't run a decal like a lot of people can. You know, I've got window space, which I've already got my sticker here, but I can't do much else. So I wanted to run something a little bit different, and these handles, man, they are amazing. So I've been running some of their paddle handles that are bigger and square and stuff, and they're incredible too. They're really fun to deal with and stuff. Super easy installs. I've done this about an hour and a half-ish, just kind of kicking around and stuff. Just walking to get tools and stuff was taking me the longest time. So a lot of this stuff, I'll walk you through this process, and then I'll probably mix in some videos that I already took from the original install. But until I got these, I didn't want to post anything. So anyway, Handle Matters, they do this right here. It's amazing. You can get colors, you can get custom emblems, you can get whatever you want. So let's go look at an install real quick on my last door, and I'll show you the original paddle as well. So this is my original paddle right here. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So this is what he gave me at Jeep Invasion, and it's been great. Like I said, I really like these things. You can come in, you can open it like that. They just give a more solid feel to everything. I mean, I can grasp that and just pull it right open, which is awesome. These look really good on some of the solid color Jeeps and stuff. I can't say enough about the design and stuff. And then of course, if you want to compare it side by side, this is the one that I installed on this side so far. So but it's really, I mean, these things just make opening this door so much easier. Right now I have to put my son in the Jeep at points and stuff, and to be honest, the push button, if he's squirming and stuff, is really difficult to get him situated. So this actually makes my life a whole lot easier whenever I'm dealing with just him. So just kind of wanted to point that stuff out. But these are the ones that I've got, and then of course we have the Slimline, or the original paddle, excuse me, as well. So just wanted to kind of show you guys what they look like side by side and how you can customize them, because I mean, this right here is a custom set, and he can do your logo, he can do your name, he can do, you know, custom colors and stuff. So the sky's the limit with this install. So I wanted to go ahead and start doing this last install. This will take about 15 minutes at most. So I'm not going to show you the full install. I'll probably switch to a different program on here and utilize that to do a time lapse so that we can get through this a little bit quicker. But I'll just show you the basics of what we need to do up close, and then I'll go ahead and bust this out. There's also an install video that Handle Matters puts out on YouTube, and it's great step-by-step, as well as just kind of some stuff about how to get door panelings off and stuff that you can find on YouTube as well. I YouTubed all these things. I always YouTube stuff, and I found exactly what I needed. So just to let you know, there's resources out there for whenever you try and do this. Okay, I'm going to talk through this as quickly as possible so that I can get into this, because I do have to work today. So anyway, what we're going to do, I have manual windows, so I've got to pop these off. This part comes out. You don't need to take these things out. I've seen people that take them out. You don't have to do that. This will pop right out. So pop this off, pop these off. There's a little panel behind here that's going to pop off. And you can just do that with your finger and stuff. And then we'll take our door trim popper, and we'll pop all that off too. We'll pop off this entire thing right here, and it should come free. And then there's some screws and stuff. We've got Torx bits that are up here and here, and there's going to be one behind here, and then there's going to be some Phillips head screws behind here. So just going to be some moving and changing and stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and dive into this so that we can get through this install. Okay, one thing I wanted to point out real quick on this install is that there will be templates for you to drill holes and stuff. Whenever Maverick was painted down in Dallas, Texas, they had to take the handles off originally. So my buddy's already drilled holes here. So the plug that was here is no longer here. There's going to be a plug here that you're going to need to pull, and you can put back if you want. And then you're going to need to drill a pilot hole right here to get to the bolt for the handle. Now, he gives you a little piece that goes right here that shows you directly what to drill. Simple, super simple. So and it's going to be, I mean, it's a little nerve-wracking if you've never done something like this, but I'm telling you, this little hole right here, like they cut, like I don't even know how they got all this. It looks like they drilled it several times here. But if you have to drill this hole and stuff, don't really worry about it. If you need to make it bigger so you feel more comfortable, this little plastic piece right here, I mean, there's space. So, and there's nothing behind here, and make sure your windows are rolled up and stuff so you don't break your glass. But that's just a huge part of what you need to do. I just wanted to stop real quick and kind of point that out before I got into all this, and you're like, well, how'd you get in there? So there's going to be a pilot hole that needs to be drilled right here so you can get to that bolt. Anyway, we're going to keep going.
On the floor, I'm kinda nervous to approach her though. Oh, she's so stylish, like a supermodel. Or should I meet her? Yes, I think you oughta. The needle dropped, my track was hot. We began to rock, our eyes were locked. I love your song, yeah girl, sing along. She said these days make my heart ache.
Alright guys, this is how it works. It's real simple. So you saw me do it. It was time-lapse. I know it was sped up and stuff. One thing I will say, he suggests using double-sided sticky tape. I super suggest that. I've lost 2 nuts down on my door. And it's really frustrating. So, because it's not easy to open. But anyway, just make sure that you use that kind of thing. He uses that as a tool. It's highly suggested. I highly suggest it too. I just didn't have time to go get it, so I paid the price. But anyway, so really easy install and stuff, guys. Like I said, you can do this. It's so amazing, and the look afterwards is just, it's great. You know, it gives you something different. I know a lot of people like to match sets and stuff with their Jeeps. They like to match colors and different things, and this gives you color. This gives you a name you can run. You can run a logo. You can run whatever you want here. So just an amazing product. I really look forward to testing this out over the next year and stuff, and coming back with a positive review. So we'll just kind of go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking around. And we'll wrap this up real quick and come right back. Alright guys, that is all she wrote. We're all done with the install. So now comes the fun time. We're going to do a giveaway. And I'm giving away the handles that were on my Jeep. So these paddle handles, if you like the look of them, if you like the design, if you want to try these out yourself, this is an opportunity for you to get them for free. That's right, free. So this is also going to be our 2,500 follower giveaway for Instagram. So if you see this on YouTube, make sure you get over to my Instagram and make sure you follow me there. Make sure you like the post and tag somebody in it and share the post. Like, tag, share. Also, bonus entry if you find my TikTok and you follow me on TikTok as well. And also one more bonus entry if you subscribe to my YouTube channel that I'm trying to get up and running. It's very hard with my schedule and stuff, and with upgrades and stuff. I'll be doing parts reviews and different things and just kind of telling the story of Maverick a little bit more. But anyway, so what I said was this is for 2,500. Once I reach 2,500 followers, we will give a set the set of these handles away that comes off my Jeep, and it will come with the 4 handles that you see here, and then it will come with one plain one for your back tailgate as well. So I didn't do a back tailgate because that's a little bit more complex to get into, and I didn't want to get into that, and I don't have the time at this point because I gotta get to work. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this install. Hope everybody enjoys the giveaway. As I said, what you will need to do is get to my Instagram, wherever you see this video at, get to my Instagram, like my account, share this post, tag a friend. 2 bonus entries. Go to TikTok and follow me, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel that I'm building up. So anyway, that's all I got right now, guys. If all those boxes are checked and stuff, I will put a random generator in once I hit 2,500 people on Instagram, which I'm not that far away. I'm like only a couple hundred, so this might not take any time at all. And if we go crazy with it, then that's awesome. But this is the giveaway right here. You're going to get a set of Handle Matters, and you're going to get the white base, you're going to get the blue and the red flag on top of it. So these are what I was running on my Jeep for a month before I got my Slimlines. Super happy about this stuff. Love this product. So have a good day, guys. Be blessed. And remember, as always, serve others.